Hi guys.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
So Christmas is coming.
Yeah.
What do you think about it? Have you been good?
Yeah. I don't know.
No, you should know.
I am. No. Tony's being bad.
Only Tony? What about you?
No.
Why you always blame Tony?
I don't know.
Huh? So what do you think? Santa's gonna bring you some toys?
Yeah. I do not know.
Oh yeah? Are
Yeah.
you sure about that, Tony?
Yeah.
How can you be so sure?
Because it's Christmas.
Because it's Christmas? That means
Well,
that everybody gets toys? Or
No.
gifts?
If you don't get toys, you know what you get? You get cold.
What do you get?
You get cold if you for Christmas if you don't listen.
Yeah, what? Do you know somebody got the...
A TV.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, Christmas.
So, but what did you ask Santa for the... What toys would you like to have?
Ben 10.
That's all?
I'm Paw Patrol. I'm asking and Power Rangers makeup. I'm asking for makeup and a Rubber Bella doll and like one of those the trampoline, the little one with the holder, and then I want the makeup desk. And then I want
Yeah, but the most important thing, what about the school? How's it going at school? Everything
Good.
okay?
Good.
That's what Santa he wants to know.
Yeah, good. And I got Chase.
Okay, so what do we say to everybody?
Happy Thanksgiving. No, happy Christmas.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.